So here my point, sir. There is a there is a news in the public also that when you were taken captive as a prisoner of war in Pakistan, I think General Ayub Khan, who served under your father, our General Karyappa sir, I think he made an offer to release you. At that point of time, your father, with lot of values and principle, he said all the POWs are my sons. So you release him along with others. That is, I think it's a great thing to be told by a father about a son. So what do you say about that, sir? We feel proud of your father for being such a principled man, firstly.
Well,
So I think
first of all,
give a big round of applause to our General Karyappa sir also for his.
thank you very much. But you must remember the fact that having been taken prisoner, I had no idea what was going on in India.
Okay, sir. Okay.
It was only after I was repatriated was I told that on the day I was shot down, All India Radio had announced that Flight Lieutenant Nanda Karyappa had been shot down. He's son of General Karyappa, and he is being well looked after. I think, as I said subsequently, I think my father happened to be in Delhi at the time. He was contacted by the High Commissioner, who said that had received instruction from Ayub Khan to say that my son your son is a prisoner of war. If you would like, we'll send him back immediately. And that's when father said to me this remark: they're all my sons. Treat them all exactly the same manner, and he will and send it back when the rest of them are due to return. But that I said I will only got to know after I had come back home.
But he speaks for the principles that values he carried with him. So it's a great thing to say so. And I think, in my view, in personal view, as our incumbent Abhinandan got that Veer Chakra for the similar role that you played, I think had your father not been, then I would have been given that Veer Chakra also. But for that thing, I think I was feeling somehow. What do you feel about it, sir?
Well, I don't think I did anything out of the ordinary to deserve a Veer Chakra. Number one. Number two, Abhinandan shot down a vastly superior aircraft, the F-16, which was deserving of it. And just because I happened to be in the wrong place, let us say at the wrong time, or the right place, the right time, whatever it was, I had a job to carry out. I did my job. And just by doing my job doesn't mean I need to be given a gallantry award. So, I mean, I've never ruled the fact that I'm not a Veer Chakra awardee or anything like that. And yet, having said that, in the aftermath of the 71 war and my missions that I carried out, I was subsequently awarded Vayu Sena Medal. There are two. One is Vayu Sena Medal Gallantry, and one is just a Vayu Sena Medal for other purposes. And the VM, as is known, was for gallantry during that period. So as you're aware, there's a VM and there's a VSM. The VM is the Vayu Sena Medal, and the VSM is the Vishish Seva Medal.
Correct, sir. Correct. I agree with you. So now I think there is one more thing. There was a proposal from the army top brass to grant Bharat Ratna to our Field Marshal Karyappa, sir. So I think it could have. I think he richly deserved it. It could have been given. It is being given to so many other peoples. And what do you say on this, sir?
Well, I have very contradictory views on this. I believe that when father was finally invested with the rank of Field Marshal,
sir,
it was a recognition by the country,
yes, sir,
of his services to the nation.
Yes, sir.
Those services, even today, are well respected because he insisted that the armed forces must be apolitical.
Correct, sir.
He said your duty is to the government of the day and
yes,
to
sir,
the country, not to any political party. So if today A party was in power, you to be loyal and honor them. If B party was in power, you had to change your loyalty to that because you were doing your duty to your country by the government of the day, number one.
Yes.
The idea of the Bharat Ratna being awarded, father, I think it was first mooted about 3 or 4 years ago that I can remember. And I was quite honestly surprised and shocked and somewhat aghast. But I felt that if, in their wisdom, the government felt that he should be awarded the Bharat Ratna, it should have been done in his lifetime. A Bharat Ratna carries a lot of prestige, carries a lot of, shall I say, perks. And the prestige factor is, if I'm not wrong, in the warrant of precedence, it is number 4. You've got the president, the prime minister, I think vice president, and then I think is a Bharat Ratna award. Extremely high.
Correct, sir. Correct.
And then, unfortunately, and very recently, when the president went to Kodagu, to Whale, and to inaugurate the General Simaya Museum, someone had suggested that a joint Bharat Ratna should be awarded to Field Marshal Cariappa and General Simaya. Never heard of something like that. Bharat Ratna is not like a Nobel Peace Prize to share with others. And if ever I were to ask publicly or whatever, would you say I'd give the same kind of answer that I've given you?
1 second. We are getting some noise. I request all others to mute. You can mute. Padmavati, okay. Please, yes. Okay, sir.
So that is my reaction to a suggestion which, to me, means that when I ask people here, why have you done this? Oh no, it'll be honor and glory to Kodagu.
Yes, sir. In fact, it would have been the honor to the entire armed forces had it been given during his time. He richly deserved it also.
I'm sorry?
No, it could have been a great honor to the entire armed forces had this Bharat Ratna been given during his lifetime.
Absolutely. You're quite right, Mr. That is how it should be. I find that there have been posthumous awardees, whether it was Rabindranath Tagore, whether it was Subhash Chandra Bose and others who received it after they passed. No, not Subhash Chandra Bose. I think, in fact, his family turned down the award. And as I said, it's a huge honor. And unfortunately, to some extent, it has been politicized to the extent that it has, as you and I know, without mentioning any names, and for whatever purpose.
Thank you, sir. And do you need some break, sir? 2-3 minutes break? So,
again?
Yeah, before we go in for a question and answer session,
No, I'm fine, Mr. I'm perfectly all right. I can take nothing wrong with that.
Okay. Now, of course, I will also ask some of the questions. Before that, I request our JWSD Pathak sir to say something about you, or you may ask something. Pathak sir, he is the man behind this mission for conducting all the things.
So, firstly, I am thankful to Cariappa sir for having honored my request and join our Zoom meeting. It is a great privilege that we are having him with us, and a great personality. And what he told about that Bharat Ratna award. See, armed forces have been neglected in India all the time. Armed forces are taken proper care only during emergency, and afterwards they are sidelined. Every war we have seen, we have won a lot of army people, air force people have shed their blood and conquered enemy territory, and then just across and everything is given back to them. So this state is really, one feels too much. We are in armed forces, we are proud of it, but some justice should be given to us also. Whatever
Mr. Pathak, if I might interject here, I would like to bring to your mind and to the mind of all those who participate in this a small piece of verse which reads, "At times of war and not before, God and soldier we both adore. But when all is righted, God is forgotten and the soldier slighted. Sadly, that appears to be the case more in our country than perhaps anywhere else in the world.
Correct, sir. I agree with you.
Yes, sir. All other countries, they get
Their due.
their
Yes.
due recognition. They get their due respect. But it is not so in our country. The state of affairs. But it is okay. We are in India. I'm proud to be Indian. And whatever I get from my colleagues, surrounding people, I have to accept and learn to live with it. That's all. We have to adjust only. See, armed forces people are best adjustment people. You throw soldier anywhere in the jungle without money, without anything, he will survive. But so will not be done by civilians.
Like when you mention this, I'm told that recently.
Whatever we are in the conducted. Sir, about your cricketing career, can you throw some light, few lines?
On what, Mr. Patel? I didn't get that question.
Pathak